Hey FaizDjam-mers! Today I'm going to unbox this AOC C24G2 24-inch curved gaming monitor. This monitor is Full HD, 165 refresh rate, adaptive sync, curved monitor features a 23.6-inch display with 1920 by 1080 max resolution, 1 millisecond response time, with a curvature of 1500 radius, flicker-free, and low blue light technology, fully adjustable stand, and VESA 100mm support. Let us see what is inside the box. Now, here's the base of the stand. Very nice. The stand. God, this is heavy. Second HDMI cable. A CD. And the instructions manual, which is both in Chinese or Japanese, and in English. Don't forget for the power supply. There are two HDMI ports. Here's the display port. This is the VGA, and this is the for speaker. Don't forget for the power supply over here. Let us install the stand. So first, just push over here, then catch. Should I put? So there is a screw under here. The only thing you have to do is you need a screwdriver and just make sure this one found. It's locked in tight. Adjust its height. Here's its peak, and there's the lowest it can go. So you could also make it face up and down any way you'd like. Let us install this to our computer.